This has got to be the saddest day of my life. I brought you here today for a bit of bad news. I won't be able to see you anymore because of my obligation and the time that you have. We've been meeting here every day, and since this is our last day together, I want to hold you just one more time. When you turn and walk away, don't look back. I want to remember you just like this. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
To meet you here today. There's just so many things to say. Please don't stop me till I'm through. I just think this is the thing to do. We've been many months have passed by. I'm gonna miss you, I can't lie. I'm gonna miss you. I've got time, and so do you. I just think this is the thing to do. It's gonna hurt me, I can't lie. Baby, you need another guy. Understand me, oh, just try. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. I've got time, and so do you.
That's Cassius.